everyone. I just want to make a quick breakdown for this setup I made for an installation using the Hokuyo Lidar sensor. I built it up with the mouse speaker. So I'll show you quickly how it works. Here we got the control area, which is the part that actually control the whole thing. Then we got the basic graphics, which are these one, and are these animation here you can see pumping out. They're all the same. You can make different ones and apply them to each hot zones to have different kind of animations. And this is the area with the different kind of out buttons. I needed to have 4 buttons. In this one, we have 3 selection points. So these are actually, where are they? 3 separate buttons. So I just needed to load them different to have a different image, 1, 2, 3. That's why it's the output button. Then we have all the content. This part. This is all the content. Basically, each stage has 1 layer of content where you have more nodes to load, more content to load. Then we have the bottom, of course, bottom in, bottom out, bottom 1 for each stage. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all of them here. Then we have the bottom operator, which is a chain I will show you later, that makes it move the camera position, which is a smoothing null with connected a lot of nulls. And then, of course, we got the camera. The final installation uses an NDI output to output the scene, and just the standard renders. Basically, in Notch, I'm using the hot zones. The main issue was to make this area not available when you load the content. And the hot zone, they're all always active. So I came up to another solution. Here you can see actually how it is my setup. I have a camera. Then I got another stages, 1 for each button. So what I did was actually to build up each scene for each button, basically. So I put all my content here. So what does the hot zone actually trigger is the position of the camera. If I scroll back to 9, go out and trigger maybe this point, and scroll back to our custom view, you will see that our camera had moved from the first position down to this area. How do we do this? In a very simple way, actually. It's a smoothing null that moves the camera up and down. Do not use any smooth. We got a lot of position. Video 1, video 2. I named it in this way, but they actually just have the position. So it's the main view on 0, second view 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then down. The tricky part was actually to make this scrub back and forward according to each position it could have, because they could be random when people interacting. They're not going in order. So I found out that I can extract the values, goes into a condition modifier, which just basically take the value 0.5 so it doesn't trigger so easily. And then I call this a toggle because it's actually taking it's doing nothing, but it's just saying that the maximum value has to be 2, so it can't go actually over. And then I combine this value. I need the combiner because I have to subtract the values to return back to the original scene. So I have to combine this value basically by adding them by themselves. That's what they actually do, because this have a negative scale. -1, and on position 2 would have had -2. And yes, and the camera returns to, as you can see, our start position 5. Here we are. There you can see our camera return to our start position. That's basically how this little guy works. In this case, I'm triggering a video loader, but you can basically trick everything. You can use whatever control, as I said, with this mouthbeat guard. Hope you liked it.